In rational number, we have learnt how to represent a rational number on a number line, definition of rational numbers, equivalent rational numbers, and comparison of rational numbers. Today, we are going to continue the same problems from exercise 9.1. Before that, what is rational number? Rational number, it is expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. First, we will see the concept LCM. What is LCM? Least common multiple. What is least common multiple of numbers? Let's see. I'll take one example. 2 and 3. I am going to find LCM of 2 and 3. So let us go in the reverse order. Multiple. So first I am going to write the multiples of 2 and 3. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. Next, multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, etc. I have written first 7 multiples of 2 and 3. Next word is common. Next I am going to find the common numbers. So 6 is common. Next 12 is common. Next word least. Among these two numbers, which is least? Least means lowest. 6 is the least number. Therefore, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. But we use different way to find LCM for larger number. First, let's see the first method. So I have taken the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. What is the common factor of 2 and 5? There is no common factor of 2 and 5 other than 1. Hence, it is called co-prime numbers. So, they don't have any common factor other than 1. So, in this case, how to find LCM means we can directly multiply the two numbers. 2 into 5, the answer is 10. So, the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. You have any doubt? Let's see. 2, 5. So, usually for LCM, we use L division, L shape. Now, so there is no common factor here. First, I will take the factor of 2. 2 is a factor of 2. So, divide by 2 one time. Here 5 cannot divide. So, write as is. Next, factor of 5. I have taken this 5 here. So, this is 1 as is. Then 5 1 times. Stop here. Take the number. Take the factors 2 and 5. Multiply. What is the answer you got? 10. Look at here. Same answer I got. So, if there is no common factor means you can find the LCM by multiplying directly the numbers. This is the first method. Next, method 2. For example, I have taken the numbers 5 and 15. Is there any common factor? Yes, 5 is the common factor here. But look at here, the number 15 is a multiple of 5. So hence, I can say LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. I can say directly the LCM is 15. How? Let's see. 5, 15. I will clarify your doubt. Same L division. So what is the common factor? 5. How many times? Here 1 time, here 3 times. Next, the number I will choose here is 3. 1 as is 1 time. Now take the numbers 5 and 3. Multiply 5 into 3 is equal to 15. the same number I got here. Next, method 3. I have taken the numbers 4 and 6. Now, 4 and 6. What is the common factor of 4 and 6? Yes, 2 is a common factor. Next, 4 is not a multiple of 6 and 6 is not a multiple of 4. So, in this case, we have to go by L division. 4, 6, write the numbers, draw the L shape like this. Then, 2 is the common factor. Remember that we should choose only the prime factors. So 2. How many times? 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 3 times. Next. So next. Here 2. I will divide by 2. 2 one time. 3 asses. Next. I will take the number 3. 1 asses, 1 time. So until 1 comes, you divide, then we will stop here. Take the numbers 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Here the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Question number 9. Which is greater? Minus 3, 2 by 7, minus 3, 4 by 5. Here, we cannot compare these two numbers easily because both are negative rational numbers. First, it is a mixed number. First, we will take this number 3, 2 by 7. We are going to convert this into improper fraction. So, while converting into improper fraction, don't take this minus sign. So, only take the mixed fraction alone. 3, 2 by 7. I am going to cross here and I am going to put plus here. That means the crossed number I am going to multiply. So, 3 and 7 I am going to multiply. And this plus 2 I am going to add here. So, what is 3 into 7? 3 7s are 21 plus 2. What is 21 plus 2? 23. So, this is your numerator. So, the denominator is 7. We will not change the denominator. Here, the denominator is 7. So, the same denominator. 23 by 7. So, 3 2 by 7 is written as 23 by 7. Next. 3, 4 by 5. I will cross here and plus here. So, cross number I am going to multiply. 3 into 5 plus 4. 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15 plus 4. It is 19. So, numerator is 19. What is the denominator? Here, the denominator is 5. The same denominator, 19 by 5. Hence, we converted the improper fraction, we converted the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So first step we have converted into improper fractions. Next, so here negative sign. Now we are going to take the negative sign. We are going to add in the improper fraction also. So now I will consider these two improper fractions only. Minus 23 by 7 minus 19 by 5. Next, so while comparing two rational number, the denominator should be same. But look at here, the denominator here is 7, here is 5. They are not same. Hence we will go for LCM. LCM of 7 and 5. Is there any common factor? Is there any common factor is there? No. There is no common factor. So in this case I already told you can multiply directly. 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. 35 is the LCM of 7 and 5. Now take the fraction minus 23 by 7. So convert into 35. You convert the denominator 7 into 35. Which number, if you multiply with 7, you will get 35 answer. 7 5s are. So same number you multiply in the numerator also. 7 5s are 35. 5 3s are 15. Balance 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. Negative. So if you multiply one negative number with positive number, the answer is negative number. So minus 115 by 35. Next, minus 19 by 5. So you should convert the denominator into 35. So by which number, if you multiply with 5, you will get an answer 35. 7 times. 5 7s are same in the numerator. 9 7s are 63. Balance 6. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 3 10. 13. Negative. Now we got minus 115 by 35 minus 133 by 35. Now my denominators are same, equal. Now I can compare the two rational number. Minus 115 by 35 minus 133 by 35. So now denominators are same. Take the numerator. 115, 133. Usually, so if it is a positive number, we know that 133 is greater than 115. But here, it is a negative number. So, minus 115 minus 133. It is reverse in this negative. So, minus 115 is greater than minus 133. Hence, minus 115 divided by 35 is greater. But look at the question. In the question it is given in the form of mixed fraction. So minus 115 by 35 represents equivalent to minus 23 by 7, which is equivalent to minus 3 2 by 7. So it implies minus 3 2 by 7 is greater. Question number 10. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. So, ascending order means smallest to biggest. To arrange in ascending order, first the denominator should be same. But here denominators are not same. Hence we will go for LCM. So, there are three numbers here. 3, 9 and 3. So we are going to take LCM for 3, 9, 3. These three numbers we are going to take LCM. Look at here. 9 is a multiple of 3. So already we have discussed in method 2. So the LCM is 9 only. Let's see here. 3, 9, 3. So the common table is 3. 1 time 3, 1. Again by 3 table 1, 1, 1 as such. Now 3 into 3, 9. So the LCM is 9. After taking LCM, we are going to convert the denominator into the LCM 9. First rational number minus 1 by 3. So I am going to convert the denominator into 9. So 3 multiplied with the 3, the answer will become 9. The same number in the numerator also. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Next, minus 2 by 9. So here we no need to change. Why? Because the denominator already 9 only. So minus 2 by 9 is minus 2 by 9 only. No change in that. Next, minus 4 by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3, the answer will become 9. So 4 3s are 12, minus 12. Now I am going to arrange ascending order. Now I am going to arrange these numbers in ascending order first. Smallest to biggest. Now all the denominators are same. Now we are going to compare only the numerators. Here minus 3, minus 2, minus 12. Which is smallest? Minus 12 is the smallest number since it is a negative number. So minus 12 by 9 is the smallest number. Next smallest number is minus 3 by 9. Minus 3 by 9. Next smallest number is minus 2 by 9. So, but this is not the answer. This is an equivalent ratio number only. What is given in the question? Minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 9, minus 4 by 3. So, we have to arrange this in ascending order in our final answer. Therefore, our final answer is, so minus 12 by 9 is minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Minus 3 by 9 is equivalent to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 which is less than minus 2 by 9 is same only, minus 2 by 9. Minus 2 by 9. This is the answer. Next, question number 1. List 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. Look at here, this minus 1 and 0, they are integers. They are in the form of integers. But list 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0 is the question. How? So minus 1 can be written as minus 1 by 1. If I divide any number by 1, we will get the same answer. So minus 1 by 1 is minus 1 only. Now this is in the form of rational number. So rational number, what is the general form of rational number? P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. So I have written the integers. So in this, from this, we can say all integers are rational numbers. So minus 1 I have written in the form of minus 1 by 1. Next, 0. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. 0 divided by any number, the answer is 0 only. This is also in the form of P by Q. Hence, now this is in the form of rational number. Next step. So, step 2. This is step 1. So, first we have written the integers in the form of rational number. Next step. So, how many rational numbers we have to find? 5 rational numbers. So, we are going to take one more than 5 rational number. So, 5 plus 1, 6. Step 3. Take the rational number minus 1 by 1. I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by this number 6. Minus 1 into 6 is minus 6 by 1 into 6 is 6. Take the next number 0 by 1. Multiply numerator and denominator with this number 6. 0 into 6 is 0 by 1 into 6, 6. Write this number, rational number 0 by 6 minus 6 by 6. Now the denominators are same. So between 0 and minus 6 by 6, how many rational numbers are there? We are going to list now. So 0. So this is going in negative direction, negative side. So 0 in the negative direction, 0 before, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6. The next number is minus 6 by 6. Now count how many rational numbers are there between 0 by 6 and minus 6 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. This is the answer. So final answer is, here they asked only 5 rational numbers. So exactly 5 rational numbers alone we are going to write. Minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6 and minus 5 by 6. This is the answer. Next sum. List 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. So previous sum we have seen that between minus 1 and 0. But here it is in the form of P by Q. Minus 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3. This is already in the form of P by Q. But the denominators are not same. So hence the first step is step 1. We have to make the denominator same by taking LCM. Step 1. So LCM of 5 and 3. So there is no common factor for 5 and 3. Hence we can multiply directly. 5 into 3, 15. If I see here also 5, 3. So 5 table, 1, 3 as such, 3 table, 1, 1. So 5 into 3, 15. LCM is 15. Next step. Next, we are going to convert the denominator into 15. Minus 4 by 5. Change the denominator 15. 5 3s are 15. The same number multiply in the numerator also. 4 3s are 12 minus 12. Next, minus 2 by 3. 15. 3 5s are 15 into 2 5s are 10 minus 10. Now, so minus 4 by 5 becomes minus 12 by 15. Minus 2 by 3 become minus 10 by 15. Minus 10 by 15 minus 12 by 15. In between, only one number is there, minus 11 by 15. But we need 5 rational numbers. But I got here only one rational number. Now what I am going to do? I am going to increase the denominator. Minus 10 by 15. 10 times into 10 into 10 is equal to 10 tens are 100 minus 100 by 150. Next, minus 12 by 15. Take this number. I am going to increase minus 12 into 10 minus 120 by 150. Now, between this minus 100 and minus 120, I am going to see this rational number. Minus 100 by 150. So, between minus 120 by 150. So, how many rational numbers are there? Minus 101 by 150, minus 102 by 150, minus 103 by 150. It is going up to minus 120 means minus 119 by 150, minus 118 by 150. So, from minus 101 by 150 till minus 119 by 150. So, 19 numbers are there, but we need only 5 rational numbers. You can take any 5 rational numbers from this list. Answer. So, minus 101 by 50, minus 102 by 150, minus 103 by 150, minus 104 by 150 and minus 105 by 150. This is the answer. Thank you, students.